Hello viewers, myself Mini Kumari. I am a subject matter expert in CHEG, in biology subject, and I want to initiate one video tutorial of biology subject. This is my first lecture video, which is about the diversity in living world. So diversity in living world was given by the classification system was given by R.H. Whittaker, um, and he had given the 5 kingdom classification. Okay, so for classifying any living organism or any organism, it is needed to classify them systematically. So this systematic order is, first we have to write the kingdom, then we have to write the phylum, then we have to write the class, order, family, genus and species. So you have to remember this order, because if you are not knowing the order how to classify an organism, you will be getting no marks. Okay, so to remember this, you can remember this rhythmatically, like kingdom, phylum, class, order, then family, genus, species. Kingdom, phylum, class, order, then family, genus, species. This is the way you can remember the order of a classification. So we all belong to the kingdom of Animalia, and this kingdom Animalia has 11 phylums. Okay, this 11 phylums start from the Porifera, Coelenterata, Ctenophora, Platyhelminthes, Esculenthes, Annelida, Mollusca, Orthopoda, Echinodermata, Hemichordata and Chordata. We are belonging to the Chordata phylum. Okay, so first phylum is Porifera. Porifera phylum is broadly belonging to the sponges. Its members are sponges because they give the feeling of very softness. Okay, so their characteristic feature is their habitat. Their habitat is aquatic and marine. They all live in the water, and their habitat is aquatic, means they are living in the fresh water, and they can be living in the sea water also. They are sessile. It should not be misunderstood that they are aquatic so they can be swimming. They don't know how to swim, so they are sessile, means they are static, because they have to attach with their substratum. This is like this. Suppose this is the member of Porifera, suppose a sponge. So they have to attach with their substratum. This is the substratum. This is the substratum. Okay, and this is the osculum. This is the mouth part of the sponge. Okay, this is osculum. Their body wall possesses the small minute pores which help in entering water inside their body, because they don't have to move and they are sessile. So they don't move, and if they don't move, how to get the food? They get the food through these pores. These pores are known as ostium. Okay, these pores are known as ostium. Okay, and plural form of this ostium is ostia, and this mouth part is known as osculum. This is the broader pore which releases the water after the filter feeding. They are the filter feeders. Okay, as water current move inside their body containing the microorganism, what happens that the microorganism comes inside their body, and the osculum releases the rest water which is not of their use. Okay, and then body symmetry is asymmetrical, means there is no plane which can divide them into equal halves. Okay, so they are asymmetrical because there is no plane which can divide them into equal halves. And their level of organization is cellular, means they have cellular level of organization, although they are multicellular, but they don't possess the tissue level of organization. Tissue level of organization happens if the group of cells perform the same work. Okay, so group of cells are not there, they are only multicellularity level, but there is some rudimentary level of cellular organization which help them to perform various work like digestion, reproduction and development. Their digestion is internal, that is, whatever they engulf into their body cavity, this is the spongiocele, which is the body cavity of them, spongiocele. So all the food material come inside their body, so digestion happens internally. They are also known as filter feeders because the water containing the microorganism is filtered here Okay, and whatever the microorganism they need as their food is stored here, and then by filtering this water, the rest of water is released outside through the osculum. So this is the way they digest their food. So they are known as filter feeders, and their digestion is internal. Reproduction of them is internal, that is, the sperms and egg is fused inside their body, but their development is indirect. That is, their development contain one larval stage. Their larva is amphiplastula and parenchyma. They are basically found in the porifera, poriferans. Their body walls is their characteristic feature, as their body wall is, the outer layer is pinacoderm, choanoderm. uh, Pinacoderm is the outer layer, okay, and the choanoderm is their internal layer. In between the outer and internal layer, mesenchyme is there, which is in between present pinacoderm and choanoderm. Okay, this mesenchyme layer contains spicules which provide them skeleton to their body, and their main characteristic of poriferan is water canal system. Their water canal system is of ascon type, which is the simplest type, and cycon type, which is more complex than ascon, and leucon type, which is more complex than cycon. Okay, and their larval state also possess some another kind of water canal system, which is of ragon type. Their larval system. Okay. So this is the brief idea about the porifera, and if you have any question you can comment me below, and I will be always available for you to answer this question. I will be happy if you are going to like this, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.